cool.
Okay. This is the first problem, and the answer is 1.33 times 10 to the negative 34.
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So now we are sketching the different types of p orbitals. Oh. So you know that there will be three. So the angular momentum of any p orbital, right? The angular momentum is going to be L equals 1. That gives you the state, right? ML is going to be -1, comma 0, comma 1. This gives you the number of orbitals. And you can see here, she's drawing out 3 different types. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I use the same stuff.
How I kind of like to look at the p orbitals is kind of like a hair tie. You know, like when you flip it over, like an infinity sign is kind of what it's gonna look like. And how I imagine it is how my arm can move. So my arm can go sideways. My arm can go up and down. And I can also have my arm on a tilt.
Yep. So my magnetic number will tell you the orientation. So that's basically what this is.
So how I kind of like to think about it, I don't know if you guys can see my camera. So like I know that my arm can go this way, I can go up and down, and I can also go to the side, but like going other way is like really hard.
Okay, this one Amanda said was kind of like the one that you guys were struggling with on the quiz. So let's first start off by, does anyone know the equation that we'll be using? Start off with change of E equals change in energy. Anyone? Good. Okay. So it's going to be the negative RH, right? RH is Rydberg's constant. Let's see. Yeah. And over let's see. Oh. Yeah. And one what's the F and the J? Okay, I think you do N1 squared minus 1 over N. Okay, so we're going from N3 to N2 in the hydrogen atom. So we just plug that in. Okay. Okay. Fuck. I just don't want to get that wrong for you guys. By handy dandy. The amount of times that the amount of trauma that this notebook has seen. Okay, yeah. So n1 squared minus n2 squared. So n1 would be 3 minus 1 over 6. So then there's calculator. Or if you want to do 1 over 9 minus 1 over 2, that is 2. 3 squared 9. Let me know what you get and you plug that in. And make sure you guys always try to plug it in, because I know like in person too, and we were working on it on our calculators. Like you might think you got it, and then like you plug into the calculator and like we're messing up on the calculators or something. Just want to make sure that y'all got it. And I need and start off with this. Just maybe say. Okay. 10 to the negative 18th is what I got, joules. Did you guys get that? So I'm like, sure, because I know you guys were struggling with this one in particular. Any questions? Okay.
And I can do 18 too.
Yeah. Is this the one that was like the one on the quiz, like the question?
Yes, because it's talking about calculating wavelength. They had to calculate the energy and the wavelength. So for this one, how I kind of look at it is, let me try my markers here, is V is the frequency equals C over wavelength. We know this is 3.0 times 10. That's a constant, and we know this is wavelength. This is frequency. So we don't have the frequency, but we have this number. So we're gonna put 3.0 times 10 8 on top. And on the bottom, we have the frequency. The frequency is the wavelength right here. Right? Yeah. So we're gonna put the 4.62 times 10 to the -18 on the bottom. This one. This is meters per second. So seconds cross out. So we know that our answer is at least in meters. And how I like to do it is put parentheses over this so my calculator doesn't freak out on me. Does anybody have an answer? Do you want to plug it into the calculator? Okay, well I got 6.49 times 10 to the next. Does anyone understand how I got that? And if she asks for the nanometers, it would just be the 6.4. 0.5649 nanometers.
You know that nanometers is 10 to the -9th, right? So if we can't get that 10 to the -7th, we'd still have two more. 1 10 to the -9th. In reverse. And we know that nanometers is smaller than meters, so it just makes sense that we have more of these. Okay. Do you guys have any questions on what we did today or anything that you'd want us to add to the review for tomorrow? Because I know Emily said that she got some emails or whatever that you guys, let me stop recording.